You stand like that because you're trying to make a turd out of you. No, that's crazy.
Dude.
You are trying to squeeze out you were trying to squeeze it out with every ounce of your power. You are squeezing that out. You are trying, but you cannot do it. And the minute you do it, you're gonna be on the mat sweating on your balls,
like my voice.
your balls off in the game while fighting 5 people with an egg launcher.
What?
While
What did you
fighting 5
say?
people with an egg launcher and while banging
Can you
5
just like
people in real
repeat
life. That's
your
crazy.
whole entire argument again? I didn't hear it. Sorry.
I don't hear stupid people, but I don't know what you're saying.
What? I actually didn't hear you this time.
I actually did. I hear stupid idiot, but I'm gonna say that because like
What?
I wrote it so bad I can't put this.
I
So I'm just gonna
promise.
say that.
Wallah, I couldn't hear you. Like I'll even say it 10 times. Wallah, 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 wallah.
Son?
I can't hear you
Son?
well.
Son? Son?
Bro, it's my bedtime. I literally have to sleep in 1 minute.
I like how, bro, your name fits so well. You got they call you the sleepy person. They call you literally sleep.
My name is actually
you snore
Mr. Baker,
so loud
bro.
that you
Like I bake
ants. Bro, you snore so loud the entire neighborhood cannot
Mr. Baker is
cannot
deceased,
sleep.
but I'm
Just
still
because
married.
you're snoring so loud. You're like,
I'm married to the coffin.
Bro, you sound like a literal dump truck. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to Sleepy. I'm not
Really?
to Sleepy,
Wait,
not
you're
doing.
talking to me?
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
super offended right now. Like, even Lucky is offended. Like, he has just not closed his mouth.
You're lying about the fact of having any girls or friends. Let's be a little realistic.
What?
You can't get no women fucking carry, bro. Why are you talking? You little piece of... Bro, you're a little... I bet you... The only
Who
reason
knows
why you're
her
not level
name?
20 is because you got carried by 5 people while spawn killing using their dumb...
Bro, maybe
using
because
their
that's
dead
not my
body
name.
shield.
I'm not telling you my name, GG's. Your name is probably like... Trent, Carter, Eric.
What did...
No, joking.
Nah, you wanna do me like that? That's crazy. I'm not gonna let that fly, bro. Why are you talking? You got the no. Why are you, bro? Get out of here, bro. Imagine having to sleep. No. Imagine not having.
What?
Imagine having a bedtime, bro.
What's my bedtime like right now? Like, what do I do?
Your bedtime
even
should be
you don't know
negative
what
death.
to do.
Why do you
You're
exist?
just sitting there
I
in
don't know
shock.
why. I don't know why in the world people. I don't know how you have any friends or girls. I have no idea how your parents deal with you
What?
every single day. I don't know how.
Who?
I don't know why I don't know what kind of drugs your parents are on. But they be on the hottest bit of crack in all of existence.
Where did you go, Eric? Okay, there you are, man.
You know what? I went to your mom's house. That's what I did. Bro.
I don't have one.
Bro, he was talking too much.
I'm joking.
I do. Smoke if you want to cut your mouth.
I do.
You're right, bro. You're right, Bacon Brother. You're right, Bacon Brother. You're right. I should stop. You're right, Bacon Brother. You're right, Bacon. You're right, Bacon Bro. You're right, Bacon Brother. Wait a minute, is that a 40? Hold up! Hold up!
I think it's bedtime.
Oh my god, it's bedtime!
It is bedtime.
No,
Hey
bro,
man, I
woke up
think
today
it's your
roasting
bedtime
everyone.
too. Like, it's time to go to sleep
You know what? No.
and get like
bro,
rest.
what the heck is
Tomorrow's a new day
What
for
is
fighting
sleep,
and violence. Let's go.
What kind of forcefully word did you just say? What the
What
heck
the
is
hell?
sleep?
I'm unfriending you, GG's. I'm also reporting you for that.
Me?
Not you, Eric.
Bro, you came over here talking. You came over here talking to me, talking all this, and you're gonna report
I'm
me
not
when you've been
talking to
talking
you,
all
man.
day. I'm just spitting facts and giving you some
It's
knowledge.
bedtime,
I'm
Eric.
gonna give you. I'm your therapist that gave you a reality check.
Well, I'm actually tired. I think I'm tired. I think so. Have you
Yes,
ever like
please,
cooked
go to bed.
potatoes and like boiled them and then pretended they were chips?
What?
Like, you know what I mean?
Huh?
Like you pretended they were potato chips
Huh?
because your mom wouldn't buy you any. Have you ever
What?
done that?
Huh? Huh?
No. No, you have
Huh?
to pretend they were chips.
Huh?
Have you ever like
What?
boiled like chips and then just
What?
pretend that they were white chocolate? Oh no.
I mean, you should be.
That's what a YouTuber would say.
I mean, he's not wrong, bro. He's not wrong.
Bro. 4-year-olds in this game watching that. They're gonna learn. Hey, Kino's Mind, if that's your name. Yeah, I know, because it makes the cookies soggy and that does not taste good. And then, yeah, like, I'm cookies, you're milk. That's why we don't go together.
You know what? No, you guys never go together just because you're an ugly idiot that has no brain cells, and this guy actually has girls and can get friends.
Shut up. I have girls, you don't.
Shut up. Shut up, dude.
Bro, I pull Noob, like, as you can see, I pull her. Like, she's just looking at me and
Bro,
love.
she literally just left the game. The minute you
he
say
was-
that, bro, she literally means the game when the minute you say that. You're so, no, bro, why are you talking? The minute he heard your voice, she's like, bye.
What? Bro, she
Nah,
was
bro,
so,
you shouldn't have pulled that.
she was so in love that
was
she got
dumb, bro.
banned.
You got finesse. You got absolutely finesse, bro. Nah, that's crazy. That's crazy.
That was so kind. Thank you, Eric.
Now get out of here. Get your bed. Sleep. I want
Like,
this.
I'm
When you
super
sleep,
happy you
you
said
look
that.
me and I agree.
I just
Bro,
wanted, like,
when you are
record the
sleeping,
special
I
moment
will
and
see
put it in my heart.
and I will be roasting in your
Like, my brain
dreams.
is recording right now. I will never forget this. When I'm 95, I will always search for your Roblox profile, and then I'll add you when I'm 95.
You will search me. You will literally search me, and you will see. And my profile picture will literally be, "Hey, I roasted an idiot. I roasted an idiot named Sleepy that has no friends and has no girl and can't get no boyfriend. I really like doing this, and I'm gonna do it to her if she ever searches me. That's literally gonna be my profile when you look at me. When you look at me, you ugly, you gang banging mole rat.
Damn, bro. So, like, have you ever, like, just thrown yourself in the fireplace and got burned, and then burned yourself, and you reincarnated
Have you
as a
ever been
man?
considered the stupidest man in life?
picked
Because
this
that is
and
literally what you are.
reincarnated as yourself
You're
again.
gaming boy, and you're like people. You got the literal strength. No, get out of here. Get out of here, bro. Get out. Get out. Get out. All right, I'm done. Okay,
Why?
I'm done roasting. I'm done.